Hello guys, I'm so excited to have you back for another episode. In this video, our topic for the discussion is wood and metal framing. Many firms would like to have their construction documents done in Revit. However, the extension for Revit for timber framing construction is no longer available after the Revit version 2017, which gives the opportunity to different companies to create custom tools and plugins for framing in Revit. This video is based on comparison of actual approaches for creating timber and steel framing in Revit 2021. And as an alternative, Revit users are using plugins for framing. So plugins or extensions are additional programs that you can install and can attach to your original program, and then you can use those plugins. They usually offer something that original software doesn't have as an option. So I'll be sharing some of the amazing Revit plugins that can be used for wood and metal framing. If you ever spent any time working in Autodesk Revit, you realize that in terms of modeling wooden and steel framing, it leaves a lot to be desired, and that is where Structsoft solution MWF software comes into an action, which is used for both wood and metal framing. The actual software package I tested contains three different major components, that is MWF Pro Wall, Floor and Truss. Structsoft Solutions has other packages available for residential home building as well as BIM coordination. For this review, I tested just those three major components. First is MWF Pro Wall. The wall component is quite impressive. The frame is based on the templates and wall opening, doors and windows are detected automatically. I was able to create a complete wall easily right off the box. For this video, I have used a template that was already created and modified them as needed. I was able to very quickly take an existing wall and apply framing to it. Here you can automatically see the opening and frames out according to the setting created in your template. This feature is very useful when you are working on a building like a hotel or apartment with the same roof, where you can frame out all the walls in just one unit and then apply it to all the other groups. This saves a lot of time and also makes modification easy because you only have to fix it in one place. Second one we have is MWF Pro Floor. This module is just as impressive as the MWF Pro Wall. It can auto-detect Revit floors, elements and openings. The floor module is one that the Autodesk Timber Framing Revit add-on doesn't have. The Revit add-on does have walls, trusses and rafters, but not floors. The last one I tested was MWF Pro Truss. MWF Pro Truss reads Revit roof elements and create a customized truss layout based on user template. It offers automated creation of whole roof systems and user. It has multiple trusses type including common, mono, scissor, flat top, mono scissor and custom trusses. Let's have a look on the Pro software. MWF Pro is a template-based and a rule-driven framing software with an extension to Autodesk Revit that allows users to completely automate and streamline their framing, which results in the ease of modeling completely framed building. Software is also capable of producing shop drawings. Among MWF's various capabilities, it also integrates with a number of CNC machines such as light-cast steel roll framers, automated wood saws, and robotic wall panel machines in order to bring your Revit model straight through to manufacturing. Information can be exported to CNC machines and other database for fabrication. Structsoft solution provides three subscription types, which are stationary license, floating license, and 12-month standalone license that you can get for MWF Pro Wood or both wood and steel at different prices. If you are looking for a plugin to eliminate wasteful workflows and processes and to enable the team to produce information more efficiently, then MWF plugin can be a good option for you. The second plugin we have here is AGACAD, which focuses on three areas: BIM content management and classification, BIM for prefabrication construction, and digital asset inventories and BIM for facility management. These are the three main areas on which AGACAD focuses. After installing AGACAD, if you click Tools for a BIM in the ribbon, you will see three options. The first will hide and show your document in Revit environment. The second option opens a window with AGACAD company information. The next will show you a free family browser that lets you easily find families in external libraries. Check their type, parameter, view them, and then you can add it to your project. The tool document has a description of all the products, so you can browse for the tool you need right in the Revit environment. The three main focus areas of AGACAD are the pluses of this plugin. For the design, wood framing in AGACAD is ideal for modeling both residential facilities and commercial multi-story buildings accurately and efficiently. Next is integration. Coordination of BIM teams is greatly enhanced by integrating wood framing with the cut opening BIM solution, which identifies structural and engineering clashes throughout your Revit model and create opening with fire safety components for all the MEP services and building structure at a relevant intersections. In fabrication, frames created with wood framing in AGACAD can be exported for production to various CNC machines. Optional CNC export is good for workflow integration, eliminates duplicate work, and reduces room for error. Talking about subscription, they offer two licensing options, annual and perpetual. The difference between them is that a perpetual license will never expire. Speaking of framing software, they have all three different modules to choose from: wall, floor, and roof. And if you're planning to buy two, then it would make sense to get the whole framing suite because it includes all the framing modules and costs less than purchasing 2 or 3 modules separately. Overall, I find AGACAD is a really good plugin with cutting-edge solutions and fits each client's need and financial capacity, and it saves time and money by choosing a required tool to achieve a specific job task. Next plugin we have is Steel Smart Framer. This is for steel framing structure. ASI's Steel Smart system was developed exclusively for the steel network to provide structure engineers with a structural design software tool engineered for optimal design and detailing of light steel framing studs, joists, shear walls, and connectors. The design software modules that are available in this plugin are Steel Smart System Basic, Advanced, and Steel Smart Framer plugin for Revit. Focusing on Steel Smart Framer plugin for Revit. It provides fully integrated 3D BIM modeling in Autodesk Revit. You can import wall styles and layout from SteelSmart system design software, or you can create your own in SteelSmart framework. For load-bearing walls, curtain walls, interior dry walls, shear walls, steel joist floors, or short walls. It can easily model every stud, track, joist, shear wall and connectors. You can know exact quantities and lengths for all light steel framing. You can export complete material takeoff to Excel for the whole structure plus separate panel list. One impressive feature in this plugin is 3D cloud-based BIM project collaboration. Cloud-based project collaboration with BIM modeling provides the design and the construction team a centralized workspace to efficiently collaborate on the construction of your steel framing project. You can review and comment on a full 3D model from anywhere using your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. Project plans are updated instantly for the entire team to ensure the most accurate information. So our next and the last plugin in this video is EnrWood plugin by Autodesk, which is a wood software for efficient wood framing under the loads of wind and seismic on beam, joist, header, post and stud design. The project solution will be done in 3 clicks. The first click is a generate support. Each element will have its support into the default load. With the second click on analysis, each element will transfer its direction to the right support. And the third click design, where the critical elements will appear in a design form. Here comes the pros of this plugin. EnrWood gives you an easy and simple way to design your project. It gives automatic support detection according to your 3D model. Analysis and transfer loads according to the actual load path. And the design module includes many types of wood. This software gives you an easy and simple way to design your project and interface one click to generate your model. EnrVision soon will be launching the EnrSteel plugin for the structure design of light steel. Here comes a deeper comparison of these 4 extensions in the form of table with some points out of 5. In the end, I'll say even the worst extension for timber framing in Revit is better than do it manually. Extensions like SteelSmart and EnrWood could be very useful in addition for the manual approach. As for other extensions like AGACAD and StructSoft, it goes without saying that they could and should exist separately, as it is a full-fledged way of solving any timber and steel framing issue in BIM. I'll see you in next video with more information. Stay tuned and do let me know about your favorite plugin in comment section.